2006 Hummer H3, 64,000 miles, one owner, aftermarket wheels, brand new tires, running boards, one owner, in flawless condition. This is a luxury package and the chrome package. So it has the leather, heated seats, no accidents, all original, not a door ding or a scratch on the vehicle, tow package like all the Hummers have. As you can see, all the tires are brand new. There's over $1,000 in tires, running boards. This has heated seats, navigation, moonroof, grill guard. This is the luxury package, so it has the chrome package and the moonroof, chrome mirrors. There's the Carfax report. Power seats, heated seats, navigation, the rear seats have never been sat in. The vehicle is like new.